Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Gel X Remover is probably one of the most essential tools for any Gel X nail enthusiast. Removing Gel X nails can be a delicate process, and choosing the right remover is crucial to maintain the health and integrity of your natural nails. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Gel X removers, exploring what makes a great product and how to use it effectively. Number 5. Pronto 100% Acetone Gel Nail Polish Remover. This acetone gel remover is formulated to gently remove nail polish, glitter, or nail glue. The formula works quickly and effectively, removing even the toughest polish. Get this 8 fluid ounces bottle and get your hands ready for the next manicure. This pure acetone easily removes nail polish, gel or shellac polish, sculptured nail forms, nail art, artificial nails, glitter polish, or nail glue. You can use it straight from the bottle or from an acetone dispenser. Moisten a cotton ball with the 100% professional acetone, then massage the nail bed, pressing firmly from cuticle to nail tip and wipe clean. Use cotton swabs to remove polish from difficult areas. You can have clean nails in no time without visiting the salon. This fingernail polish remover is proudly made in the USA, using 100% pure acetone to effectively and efficiently remove all types of manicure and pedicure. The products are sealed and available in 4, 8, and 16 fluid ounces. We take our promise to care for and protect your nails seriously, while keeping you up to date with the latest trends for a professional, long-lasting look. What we like. This remover uses 100% pure acetone for fast and efficient gel removal. It's made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. If you're looking for a no-fuss, reliable solution that gets the job done quickly, this is the one for you. What people say. This works fantastic and removes all kinds of nail polish with ease. It easily takes off regular polish, gel, glitter, and even stubborn nail glue without too much effort. Can remove factory paint from dolls. I've tried many other products, and this one is the best. 100% removes any paint. Number 4. FANDAMEI Gel Remover Kit. Introducing the FANDAMEI Gel Remover Kit. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for professional gel removal at home. It's a complete solution for your nail care needs. With this kit, removing gel polish is a breeze. Simply pour your remover into the pump bottle, saturate a cotton pad, and secure it with the nail clips. Wait a few minutes, and it's done. The kit also includes stainless steel tools for cuticle care. The triangle peeler removes dead cuticles, while the double-ended pusher cleans and preps your nails. These tools are designed to be gentle yet effective. Shape and smooth your nails with the included file and buffer. The file helps you shape your nails, and the buffer refines the surface for a perfect finish. It's like having a mini salon at home. This kit saves you time and money by allowing you to remove gel polish at home. No more salon visits or waiting around. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution for beautiful nails. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for gel removal, including nail clips, a remover bottle, and cuticle tools. It simplifies the process, saving you time and money. If you are a beginner or prefer a comprehensive set for a salon-like experience at home, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The nail clips hold the remover-soaked cotton pads in place perfectly, making the process much easier than using foil. This tool works amazingly well for removing gel or dip nails at home. I found it incredibly user-friendly. The instructions were clear, and the tool itself was straightforward to operate, even for someone like me who isn't a professional. Number 3. BTArtbox Gel Nail Polish Remover Wraps. Tired of salon visits? These wraps make removing gel polish a breeze. Just a little acetone, a few minutes, and it's gone. The wraps are perfectly sized to fit all your fingers and toes. The thick foil holds the remover well for a thorough soak. Simply apply acetone to the pad and wrap it around your nail. Wait a few minutes, and the gel polish will lift right off. Then, use the included cuticle pusher. The unique design fits all nail sizes and removes cuticles without any pressure. It's comfortable and won't hurt your nails. The set includes a durable stainless steel cuticle pusher. It's perfect for both professional and home use, making your nail art experience easier. Unlike traditional pushers, this method is more comfortable. It eliminates the pain and makes removing nail polish much easier. What we like. This product features pre-cut foil wraps for easy application and gentle removal. The included cuticle pusher ensures a comfortable experience. If you like a mess-free and convenient option that protects your nails, this is a great choice. What people say. These foils with a cotton pad are pre-cut to the perfect size. The tool works fantastic for helping to remove the remainder of the gel polish. The fabric is thick and can hold a lot of acetone. Number 2. Teenitor Nail Gel Remover Kit. Removing gel nail polish can be a hassle. Going to the salon takes up a lot of time. This kit provides a convenient solution for removing gel nails at home. Harsh removal methods can damage your nails. This kit includes nail clips designed to remove gel polish without weakening your nails. Using this, your nails will stay strong and healthy. The process is simple: file, wrap, clip, scratch, and polish. First, remove the surface seal. Then, soak the pad, clip it on, and gently remove the gel. Finally, buff and polish for a perfect finish. This kit makes removing gel polish easy and convenient. It saves you both time and money by allowing you to do it yourself at home. The nail polish remover clips are washable and reusable. This ensures that the kit will last a long time. What we like. This kit offers a simple 5-step process for gel removal, along with reusable clips. It helps you save time and money by avoiding salon visits. If you are looking for an affordable and convenient way to remove gel polish at home, this kit is ideal. What people say. Everything worked as it should and the files were great. I was able to take off all of the gel polish in about 20 minutes. Great for people who want to save time going to the nail salon to get the polish removed and is simple to use. It was my first time doing this and I will be using this kit from now on. Just pour polish remover on pad, wrap around nail, then clamp and wait. I also much prefer this way than the crinkle of aluminum. Number 1. Beetles Gel Polish Remover Kit. This kit includes everything you need to remove gel polish. It comes with remover clips, nail wipes, files, a cuticle pusher, a brush, and cuticle oil. It's a complete solution for your at-home nail care. The process is simple: grind, wrap, clip, scratch, and polish, then moisturize. All the necessary tools are included in the kit, making it easy to remove gel polish without a salon visit. It's designed for your convenience. The included natural cuticle oil helps heal your cuticles and hangnails after removing gel polish. It keeps your nails hydrated and healthy, preparing them for your next manicure. This helps keep your hands looking their best. The remover clips are made of washable and reusable ABS plastic. They fit your nails snugly without excessive pressure. This ensures a comfortable and effective removal process. This Beetles Gel Nail Polish Kit comes in a seasonal gift box, perfect for any occasion. It's a great gift for birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, or any special event. It eliminates the guesswork of choosing colors. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for gel removal, plus cuticle oil to keep your nails healthy. The clips are reusable, making it a sustainable choice. If you are looking for a complete, nail-friendly kit that includes everything for aftercare, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The product works well. It removes the gel X nails quickly. This product is easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.